I don't know why people are misunderstanding this brain Jotter and Mike Ejiagha. People are misunderstanding everything here. Let's talk about these things. Because one thing about this nation called Nigeria, we always emotional about things. We want to put everything we have to look for someone to blame. Let's just get things right here. Brain Jotter do not go to studio to recreate Mike Ejiagha's song. Brain Jotter do not remix Mike Ejiagha's song. He only used the song. He only danced to the beat of the song. Unfortunately, the thing go viral. I don't know why people are just saying all manner of things about this Brain Jotter giving the man 2 million naira. Because if you pay close attention, someone say that he will sue Brain Jotter to court. He will go to Mike Ejiagha and sue Brain Jotter to court. Is he a proper thing to do? Because in one way or the other, let us allow this song to flow. Let everybody follow the rhythm of the song and enjoy this moment. Because one thing is very certain, the song will come and go. So Mike Ejiagha going to court, trying to drag Brain Jotter on this matter will not work in any way. It will not work in anywhere. Because there is things that we must pay attention to. Somebody, okay now, if you go to TikTok, you will see people dancing to people's song, people beat. Are those people paying those people that own the song, own the beat money? Is it because of this one go viral? We should learn how to appreciate things. Now, Mike Ejiagha have been forgotten. Because of Brain Jotter, Mike Ejiagha has been remembered. And people are going to his house to dash him money. That shows you that this is all about coming together, and also it's all about build something that will put food on the table. One way or the other, people are now going to YouTube to stream this man's song, the song that has been forgotten. People that don't even know this man is now looking for him, and also try to know more about him, and also try to listen to his old songs. So we should be careful. This thing that happened now is a blessing to Mike Ejiagha. We should not take this blessing away from him by going to court. Share this video.